Hello. Yeah. She fell for it. How you guys say? Hook, line, and sinker. Or as your colloquial term is, say less. Yeah? Matter of fact, as soon as you hang up here, change all those passwords she thinks she has. Oh yes, the antidote works beautifully. So, what she hasn't realized is that while she was uploading what she thinks she wanted, she was uploading a tracking device. Yeah, I'm going to call Savage in a little while. But once the tracking device starts working, you keep me updated as to where she is. I know. Tom drunk, but Tom don't fool.
You have to make sure so the back door lock and the latch them both properly.
Sorry, come in for question. So all I did with somebody have to go home.
Wait up. So, we ended up fall?
Yes, my love, but just now one place.
One place?
Yeah, but it's about that, my love, because I don't want to stop fall back again. Anyways, I'm sorry, I never look up the chapter. I'm not gonna make it happen again.
Alright, Patsy, me hear you. The evening did go good though. You make a nice little sale.
Hey, I'm mean your mama name now. My young lady can call me Mr. Red.
But some people are come here and are complain about you.
Complain about who? I what call my name?
You sell a woman one sanitary napkin?
Sanitary one? Oh, I'm selling one woman one pad.
It's sanitary napkin. And enough people are gonna like the raw thing, you know?
Allow me, a pad me know it as, so a pad me call it. Two of them do the same thing. Cover your poking.
Alright, Patsy, alright.
Say that with someone, you know, or like pretty up things to please people too much. Me? Yeah, but I'm not my love.
Uno? Who you call Uno?
You are high society customers then. So, I'm French can say add for open.
I can't bother with you in a Patsy.
Sometimes me can't bother with myself either, my love. So, look at me. How's it last night with Mr. Kareem's day?
Well, it was a good night.
So hold on, you just had to fit so. You just had done it so? No little juicy details.
That's all, Patsy. It was just a good night.
Alright, I'm gonna get it. If you don't want to give it a minute, it's fine. You don't have to tell me.
That's exactly what I do. And I'll tell you.
So, one of the last night when I reached one.
Patsy,
Hello, what wants a man? Give me the correct information. I am a girl.
I'm asking something. Me the asking about you and Mr. Water Commission?
Fine, man, I want here. Keep it up a piece of information.
I'm never tell you nothing. Anyways, if me not reach back in time, make sure you lock the place properly.
Fine. I gotta make sure someone get properly this time yet. Don't have to worry.
Alright, Patsy, we're gonna get ready.
Look at me.
Yes.
So, we are going with
Just a friend.
Male, female, or free male?
Free meal? Hold on there. Patsy, you know some of my mother did, right?
Cause last night I go on date. So they are going with friend. I'm just have to check.
Listen, you just make sure the place lock up properly, right?
One last thing, wait. The person, they are coming to come pick you up, or you gonna meet them?
Patsy, later.